Sermon number 84. Amr ibn Az. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I am surprised at the son of Nabigah that he says about me among the people of Syria, Sham, that I am a jester and that I am engaged in frolics and fun. He said wrong and spoke sinfully. Beware, the worst speech is what is untrue. He speaks and lies. He promises and breaks the promise. He begs and sticks, but when someone begs from him he withholds miserly. He betrays the pledge and ignores kinship. When in a battle, he commands and admonishes but only up till the swords do not come into action. When such a moment arrives, his great trick is to turn naked before his adversary. By Allah, surely the remembrance of death has kept me away from fun and play, while obliviousness about the next world has prevented him from speaking truth. He has not sworn allegiance to Mavia without purpose, but has beforehand got him to agree that he will have to pay its price, and gave him an award for forsaking religion.